guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all some lipsticks and like the mini reviews and swatches of these lipsticks which I recently purchased from Amazon. So most of the shades that I've picked in this video are like towards the nudes and browns mostly because I wanted to try out some new nude and brown lipsticks. So most of these shades are in that same color category. So let's start with the video. So the first lipstick is this one by NYBAE. So this is the NYBAE X Shakti Liquid Lipstick Collection, and the shade that I've chosen for myself is called Sassy Samba number 7, and this is how the lipstick looks like, and it's the shade I'm currently wearing on my lips as well. So I really love the packaging of this lipstick. It's very beautiful rose gold packaging, and on the bottom, it's like a standard packaging. I really love the formula of this lipstick. It's very moisturizing, very nourishing. It does not feel drying at all. So this one is priced at rupees 315, but you'll get it at discounted prices on Amazon. And this is how it looks like on me. The next shade is by Swiss Beauty. So again, this is a Swiss Beauty non-transfer waterproof lipstick. I already love the mauve taupe, then a few of other shades from the same range. So I wanted to try out more shades as well from this range. So I got this shade called 418 Rusty Nude, and this is the shade that I'm currently wearing on my lips. It's a beautiful nude color which I think would suit a variety of skin tones, especially if you are like medium to dusky. Like I am medium, and this is the way it looks like on me, but even if you are dusky skin tone, I feel this would really look beautiful, like a beautiful nude on you. So yeah, this is how it looks like on me. The next lipstick is by Swiss Beauty. So I've already tried out the Swiss Beauty HD matte lipsticks previously, and I really loved the formula that time. So I just wanted to try out a new shade. So the shade that I got for myself this time is called 11 Chocolava. So again, this is a very comfortable formula. You don't feel drying at all. And this particular shade Chocolava is a beautiful, it has a bit of red and brown mixed tones to it. So I really love the shade on me. Again, this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in this kind of a packaging. So the shade number is mentioned on the bottom. So this one is priced at rupees 299, and this is how it looks like on me. The next lipstick is again by NYBAE. So this is the Confessions of a Lipaholic Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lipstick, and the shade that I got for myself this time is called Mugs and Hugs 12, and it's the shade I'm currently wearing on my lips. So I do have the Snuggle Secrets shade in the same range, and I absolutely love the formula as well as the color of that lipstick. So this one is priced at rupees 240, and yeah, this is how it looks like on me. The next lipstick is by Insight, and this is the non-transfer matte lipstick. Okay, so I had tried one of the shade of this range in my previous video, and that is when I really like the formula of this lipstick. It's matte, but it's not like extremely drying, so I really like that. And this is only priced at rupees 250. So I got two more shades in this. So the first shade that I'm currently wearing on my lips is called 04 Teak. Okay, and this is how it looks like on me. I really love the shade on me. It's like kind of like a maroon and brown tone mix. So I really love this. It flatters my skin tone really well. So yeah, this is how it looks like on me. And the next shade in the same Insight non-transfer lipstick is the shade called 18 Crucifix, and this is the shade that I'm currently wearing on my lips. I really love this shade as well because it's like a pink shade, but it's like a muted pink. It's not like very too bright kind of a pink. So I really love this shade. It's like a brown and pink tone mix. I'm really bad at explaining colors, so please excuse me for that. But yeah, this is how it looks like on me. And the third shade that I got in the same Insight lipsticks is the shade called 14 Dagger, and this is and this is the shade that I'm currently wearing on my lips. Again, it's a beautiful nude color that would really look great on like medium to dusky skin tone girls. If you're fair, this might look a little dark on you, but for medium to dusky skin tone girls, this is like a perfect nude, and this is how it looks like on me. The next lipstick is by Colorbar. So usually Colorbar lipsticks are pretty expensive, but when I saw this mini Colorbar lipstick, I was really excited to trying it out. So this is the Colorbar Cuties Matte Touch lipstick. Okay, so it comes in this kind of an outer packaging, and this is how the actual mini lipstick looks like. So this one was priced at rupees 399, but I did find it cheaper on Amazon. Okay, so the shade that I got for myself is called as Bare All 019. And this is the shade that I'm currently wearing on my lips. So I really love the packaging of this lipstick. It looks so luxe and classy. Like you can see, again, this one has this beautiful rose gold detailing right here. So this is a beautiful like pinkish brownish shade, I would say. It's not entirely transfer proof, so when you kiss the back of your hand, it does transfer, but it's a very comfortable formula. I really love the because I really wanted to try out some Colorbar lipsticks, that is why I got this shade. So yeah, this is how it looks like on me. The next lipstick is by My Glam. So My Glam has a huge shade range in their liquid lipsticks collection. So this is actually the first time I'm trying any My Glam liquid lipstick, and when I read that it is like enriched with moringa oil and stuff, so I thought that the formula might be a little more nourishing, but personally I feel this is a little bit drying for my personal liking, but nonetheless this is like a beautiful shade which is called as Ship, and this is how it looks like on me. And the next shade from My Glam that I got is the shade called Data View. Okay, and it's the shade that I'm currently wearing on my lips. Another thing that I want to talk about these lipsticks is that the wand is really long, okay, and it's very like, see, bending. Okay, so it kind of is a little inconvenient to apply this, because it like literally bends on your lips when you're trying to apply it. So I personally like my wands to be a little stiff, not like too much, but not this kind of like flexible also. See, you can see it entirely bends. So that is what something that I didn't quite like about this lipstick, and the formula is also a little bit drying. But this one doesn't feel that drying, so I don't know if it differs from shade to shade, the formula and the drying part, but this particular shade called Data View is comfortable enough. The earlier shade was a little bit drying on me. So yeah, this is how it looks like on me. This lipstick is again by Insight. So this is from the different range. This is the non-transfer lip color, and this is only for ₹90. So I've already done a video on this previously, but I wanted to try out some more shades. So this is the shade that I got for myself. This is called as 11 Coffee Command, and this is like a proper brown color, like you can see, and I really love the formula of this one. Needless to say, at ₹90, this has one of the best formulas in matte lipsticks, and this is how it looks like on me. So yeah guys, those were all the lipstick that I recently purchased from Amazon, and the links to all of these products are mentioned in the description box below. तो अगर आपको कोई भी lipstick shade पसंद आया है और अगर आपको खरीदना है तो please check the description box for the links. Also, if you want me to try out any lip shade or any particular shade from any of the brands, please also mention it in the description box, so the next time I am placing my order for new lipsticks, I can definitely take your recommendations into consideration. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.